What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. My name is Matthew. If you're new here, I teach print on demand, everything from Etsy, KDP, merch by Amazon, and I teach some design and what we're going to cover today, a little research. If you want to join the Facebook group, sometimes I'll have little conversations that try to get everybody to interact with. But we were talking about sub niches. You got your main niche or niche, your main niche, and you have like sub niche, and you can go further than that. So I'm going to start with the main keyword here. Amazon Suggestion Expander, I believe is what it's called. Gives you more options below, so you could type Easter and you hit A or Easter B. It'll give you more options than what the normal see right here, like all these different things here. It's like Easter cat, Easter bunny. So if we look at the main keyword Easter, what I'm going to do is use the free producer tool. I'm just going to go US standard t-shirts. So if I hit prime, you can see this number is 6,000. There's probably way more than that. Sometimes it may not be as correct here. So don't always trust the number because it's probably definitely more than 6,000. But if you scroll through here, you'll see a lot of like Disney stuff. And you got Marvel, and you can't do any kind of designs like this. So that's just to show you like the main word Easter. So we want to add a keyword. So let's do like Easter or spring's coming up. So let's say baseball. I'm going to select that again. Go to producer, US standard. So now it gets down to 241 results. So as you can see, people are combining like baseball and bunny ears, softball. Looks like an Easter egg. So DS Amazon Quick View has it gives you a sales rank, so you can see that this is sold. This one has not. But let's look up something else. Let's see Easter. Let's do Easter birthday. So 4,000. So happy Easter, and yes, it's my birthday. Daddy Bunny. Don't do something like this because Peeps is a like dessert candy brand or whatever you want to call it. Easter Boston Terrier. We'll trade sister for Easter candy. I'm the dad bunny. So let's see. There seems to be a trend with the dad and bunny. So let's go dad bunny. So as you can see, we started with 6,000 results. Now we're down to 661 results, which this is a good number. Like if it's even lower than that, you're really doing good. What you want to look for a holiday is, some sort of like phrase or theme that's selling. You want it to have low results, which we have here. 600 is nothing compared to how many people shop on Amazon. So you got dad as your theme, bunny. You've got a low result here. And then another thing you want to look for, if you look here at this number, so you see a trend like all these shirts are getting sales. See all these like here? Daddy Bunny. So all these like it's not even like in 2 weeks these shirts are probably going to be like on fire. Like I think it's April the 4th. is Easter. So you could see like all these daddy bunny, like world's best bunny dad. You could do a pun. So for like funniest dad, you could do world's bunniest dad. I'm the hot daddy bunny. I'm the mama bunny. So see, it's like a family thing. So if you do something, a design good enough, you could do daddy or dad or mom or mama or son, daughter, and the whole family would buy your shirt. So keep them under the same brand, and then you could just get four sales at once versus like one. So here's another thing you can do is to check the trademark. So I use Merchant Former, and they have a plugin. So you see, the last thing you want to do is try to do a design and then something's like a phrase is trademark. So if you hit this MI trademark check, you can see that, I mean, it has sister, but sister is a common word. If it's usually common, I'm fine with using it. So you can check them for each, like different products or whatnot. So let's just look up Daddy Bunny and see what comes up. So 161 results. Let's see if we got anything we could use. So Merchant Former has these graphics every month that you could use. So there's a bunny right here. This for February. Okay, so we have glasses, some glasses right there. We got a bunny right here. Let's see. So I'm gonna drop this in, this in. So I'm gonna do something real quick here. I'm gonna center that up, and we'll grab these glasses. I'm gonna center that up. So now we got a rabbit with a bow tie with some sunglasses. I'm gonna export this out. I'm gonna use curve text, and I could adjust it here. I'm gonna say the cool. I'm gonna use, let's see, I'm gonna use something that stands out. So I'm just gonna move this up here and center it. So Daddy Bunny, we'll do, we'll download that. And since we check trademark check the phrase, we'll just do Daddy Bunny. Let's see, I'm gonna do it two separate words order. The trick is to stand out. So we're just gonna use this lobster font. Let's see. So let's just try something like that. So I've already got some pre-selected, but you can select those. All right, so that's a cool looking shirt we created in just a few minutes using the graphics from Merchant Former. If you go to Merchant Former, you can search Daddy Bunny, and you can click this little, using the Merch Hunter, you can hit this little drop down. It'll give you some keywords that are used and tell you how many times they use them throughout these 100 designs or whatnot. Easter, Bunny, Daddy. We don't want to use like birthday, that has nothing to do with it. Basket, Hunt. So I'm going to uncheck youth because this is for dad or whatever. One of the easiest things to do is to look at the design and just describe what you see. So I see a bunny wearing sunglasses and a bow tie that says Daddy Bunny. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. So this design features a bunny rabbit wearing a bow tie and sunglasses. Let's see. I'm gonna do a trademark check real quick, make sure nothing. So this is another thing I love about Merchant Former, the trademark check. So if we look up here, Daddy Bunny. So since everybody's searching for that on Amazon, we want to have that as our first two words. So Daddy Bunny. And then I'm gonna just do again. So sunglasses. I'm gonna do Daddy Bunny. I'm gonna do Easter Rabbit, and then we're gonna do sunglasses, bow tie, graphic, I guess. So if I do that trademark check again, it doesn't come up, so we're good there. And then we want to copy this down here. CR brand for more options. If we want to add like a hoodie and all that. So we're not saying that about gift. We're not telling them what to use it for. Obviously, you got Easter. You could do, we got 8 characters, so you could do Easter Sunday, I guess. So that's basically how you do it. You can get some, Easter colors, I guess. You got a green there, so we could use like a blue or something. Get some bright colors. So Daddy Bunny. This design features a bunny rabbit wearing a bow tie and sunglasses. I'm going to start it at $15.99. But it's good to have this trademark check because your account is important. Hit publish.